Welcome to Synthetic Oil Protection. I'm your host Eben, and today is a very cold day in Las Vegas. It's about 37 degrees. I know you're thinking that's warm. Well, for Vegas, 37 is cold. And today we're making a special trip to my good man Luke. Luke is a very, very special part of the channel. Luke is an AMSOIL dealer. He's one of my personal AMSOIL dealers. He's learned about the products through me. And Luke is a real enthusiast. He loves his car. And you're going to get a chance to see this car that puts down over 700 all-wheel horsepower. And I tell you what, it's completely nutty. So take a look at Luke.
Hey everyone, how you doing? My name is Luke. So my boy Eben reached out to me and he asked me, hey Luke, can you just tell my audience why choose AMSOIL? Well, that's easy. This goes back all the way. I'm 41 now. This goes back all the way when I was in my late teens. I used to work at a Jiffy Lube a long time ago, and you would hear about AMSOIL because Jiffy Lube always dealt with Pennzoil. You would hear about AMSOIL and you just weren't able to get it. It was a very, very exclusive product, and we had all the information based, or I had all the information based on this product. I knew it was great, far better than Pennzoil, but you know what I mean? It is what it is. You know, I was young. Now, 20-something years later, this is how I use it. Take, for instance, this right here. This is my fully built 2018 STI. This car is putting close to 800 horsepower to the ground, not the crank, not the engine. I'm talking about whatever goes to the tires. So at 34 pounds, this puts down about 721 at the wheel. At 39 pounds, close to 800. And clearly you could see that big spoolie boy right there. Now, it is 9 degrees out, and the reason why I'm changing my oil was because after my car was professionally dynoed, they put whatever oil in there and sent me on my way. So I waited for about 400 miles to progress to change the oil, to make sure any type of if there's any type of wear filings or whatever, it can come out, and to put this bad boy in. But the reason why I'm doing that is because it is so cold this year in New York. The cold is pretty bad. As I said, it is 9 degrees right now. I don't even understand, or even, you can't even fathom how, like, what it takes to even be out here. It is so cold. And tomorrow we're getting dumped like about a foot of snow. So I said, let me change my oil today. So this is what I'm using right here. I'm using the AMSOIL Signature Series 5W-50. Perfect for a racing application like this, where it's in 5W. Normally, I would have used the Dominator racing oil, but this AMSOIL Signature Series 5W-50 will allow for a more cold flow. The oil can be frozen down to a lower temperature without freezing up, so to speak. So it can be 9 degrees and you won't have a problem. You want that maximum protection, especially on startup. A freaking oil like this, it creates a film, a strong film in all the internal parts, where you have less friction, and less friction, it's less wear. You know what I mean? Also, AMSOIL Signature Series is fantastic for turbos, especially oil settling in the turbo or turbo coking. So, as I said before, guys, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 vehicles. Okay, and this is the hardest working vehicle right here, and every single vehicle I have run AMSOIL. This is my wife's Kia Sportage. I've been maintaining this car for years. This car has probably close to 220,000 miles. Not one oil leak. Starts up right away, no issues. So I'm speaking from testimony where I actually use it. So you're not talking to some guy who wants to promote something. I am telling you, you want the best, this is it right here. And obviously, this is a labor of love. This car is a work of art, fully built by hand myself. So I wouldn't just put any and any oil in here. So if you want the best, Eben puts out videos every week. Follow the man. Eben, see you later.
I wanted to mention, if you want to try the AMSOIL products, if you're on a laptop or a desktop, click show more. It's right down here. If you're on a smartphone, click the little teeny weeny reverse down arrow. That'll go into all the description section down below. A lot of great information on the AMSOIL products and how they're different, 100% synthetic, how it'll save you, protect your motor. Check that out. And if you use my link, I would get the credit for your orders, so I'd always be able to answer all your questions on the products in the future. And that would really mean a lot to me. All right. Hope you really enjoyed that video of Luke. If you did, definitely give this video a thumbs up. Really appreciate him doing that. And remember to leave a comment down below. That's your ticket into Eben's end of month giveaway, where at the end of the month we give Snap-on tools, hundreds of dollars in gift cards. We give all kinds of stuff away, and that's personally from me because I love the channel and I love giving back. For everyone that helps me, I got to give back to him. And I also want to mention Luke's channel. Check out Luke's channel right here. He does a lot of racing stuff and a lot of stuff on his Subaru WRX. You're gonna really love that. If you want to see more engine flush videos, check out this video here, and we will see you back next time right here on Synthetic Oil Protection. Cheers to protection, protection, protection.